What's up? How to add CSS to HTML? There are three different ways to add CSS style to an HTML document. Inline CSS. Now use the style attribute. HTML element add style the web page. It is used for small project. So I have one example for you. HTML open, body open, h3 open, and write some titles, and h3 close. Start p, start close, and body close, HTML close. Now this is the use internal CSS. Now I have one more example. CSS internal. Place the CSS style within a style tag inside HTML file using style head section. For example, HTML open, head open, using internal CSS style open, style close. This is the color green. CSS code style head close, body open. Now S3 open and close, P open and close, body close, HTML close. Now external CSS. One more example. You can deeply watch it now first. Okay. External CSS. Create a spread CSS file with a .css extensions and link this file to your HTML file using link tag in header section. Consider best practice to add CSS HTML file, HTML CSS. Okay, add HTML open, add open using link CSS, add close, body open, P open and close, body close, HTML close, and see the compile example to run. Okay. Now adding animation in CSS. Adding animation CSS. Allow element use add their keyframes rules so you can create a simple animation by tag. Okay. Now this is the coding. Apply animation to the text. Animation durations. This is the most important. You can note down this and take the screenshot for this. Okay, example. For example, this is the most. Animation durations, animation name, slide in, animation iteration confirmations and directions, alternate, CSS fundamentals. Okay, creation sections cover fundamental topic, CSS providing solid introduction, CSS syntax, CSS comments, CSS rule set, CSS selectors, CSS combinations, CSS basic page, CSS properties. The section our important CSS properties that control how element look and work on web page. Start with CSS display. Learn how elements show ranged display, backgrounds, borders, font, color, margins, padding, positions, white space, height, width, overflow, shadows is the most. You can watch and subscribe my YouTube channel and see and get the new notification, new videos or HTML, CSS, all technologies videos. Okay. Now styling HTML element with CSS. This is the section covers all the keys techniques you need to style different parts of an HTML page using CSS, like a text CSS, image CSS, list CSS, CSS colors, font size, CSS table, CSS form, CSS practice quiz, CSS links, CSS projects for beginners. Now you have a basic understanding of CSS, or start with some beginner level project to clear your concept, implement real world applications. Now design Greek logos, design the page, tribute page design, tribute web page, browse windows, newsletters, CSS responsive design. The section focuses on CSS techniques that help you create flexible and adaptable web designs. You learn how to build layout work, different grid sizes, spacing, and managing pages. CSS media, CSS website layout, CSS box models, representative, CSS position, CSS layout, CSS net listings, points. Logic, implementations in CSS, interesting facts in CSS. This is a one video and short video to daily introduction to basic topics. Then you can subscribe now my YouTube channel. Then see, watch the more videos. You can get update new videos for completely CSS, HTML, text in and coding completely provide for you. Advanced CSS topics, CSS interview questions. That's CSS framework. Now good. It's brilliant. Wow. Check it. Okay. Bye bye.